Hi everyone, it's Alicia with Quilts on Tour, and here's another Nifty Notion Wednesday. So today's Nifty Notion is a storage box. I absolutely love these, and this is how I keep my projects and my work in progress and extra fabric stored. So you can get these pretty much at any craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's. Michael's will have them sometimes on sale for 3 for $9.99. And then I think Hobby Lobby, their regular price is the cheapest place to get them, but you can get them at any of them. So they're the perfect size. They're 12 by 12, and they're actually meant for scrapbook paper, but they're perfect for, let me show you what I use mine for. So in this box here, I have the next project that I want to start. So it has this fabrics for my binding. Here's my pattern. Isn't that the cutest little thing, little canning jars? Which actually is perfect because now that I'm living in the country, I'm learning how to can stuff. So this is perfect. I can't wait to make this. I canned my first carrots the other day. I was so proud of myself. So here is the layer cake that I need. Let me show you. Kind of loud. The layer cake that I need to make this, along with the gray for the jar lids and the leaves. So this all goes right in here. I also have some other things, some courthouse steps. If you went to our retreat, you'll recognize our little courthouse step squares. This is what was in our goodie bags. We worked on making these. I haven't gotten very far, if you could tell. I'm supposed to make 36 of them, I think. That's why they're in this box. So I have a lot of fabric, and I've got half one done almost. Yeah, so yep, I use these to help organize what I want to work on next. So this is what I want to finish before I go on to the next project. So that's in here. And then in this box, okay, don't be mad. But in this box, I have all of my blocks from previous swaps that I haven't put together yet. And some cards that I've gotten. My niece Leah helped me organize them the other day. She came over and saw how they were in such a mess. So we put them together in the piles of what they were. Like this is the red, white, and blue. These were the spools of friendship. Houses. There's the pink one. So anyways, this I have to work on putting together. If you want more information on our swaps, our next one is coming up soon. Make sure you join our Facebook group and you'll get more information on how to join our swaps. There'll be a link in the description below. Even if you don't want to join the swaps, make sure you join our Facebook group because it's a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun there. And then in this box, I kind of keep some scrap fabrics that are too big for my scrap bin, but too small to wrap around the comic book boards that I use. So some are fat quarters, some are, just scraps. So it just helps me be able to see them a little more up front, because it's see-through, and kind of tell what's in here. So yeah, that's what I use them for. It helps me keep them organized. They stack really nicely. And I put them down on my shelf, and then I know I don't get quite so overwhelmed, so I know everything that I want to work on next is in one box, and I don't have to kind of pick and choose and sort through everything to try to get all the fabric I need. So usually I put all the fabric that I need for one pattern in a box like this, so I can just grab it and start working on it. So thanks for watching. If you want to see some more Nifty Notion videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have a Nifty Notion that you would like me to review or show on the video, make sure you leave it in the comments below. I'm starting to run out of notions. So I would love to hear what your favorite notion is, and maybe it'll show up on a video. So don't forget, today's a great day to quilt.